gromit! Hello everyone, it's me, your boy, Stampy. Today I'm here with a whole host of exotic ingredients. We're ready to make some chocolate banana and muffins. Have you seen it, Nathan? Have you seen chocolate banana and muffins? That's a good effect there. You're really getting your money's worth here. Alright, so I've got some instructions dictated perfectly from the visual representation on except the butter, which I appear to have forgotten. Got the butter. So what we want to do is we want to cut the chocolate. We're not going to use all of it because we're not wasteful, but we're going to get a plate. We're going to get the chocolate and we're going to get half of it. It's quite soft already, it's been out in the sun. But what we're going to do is we're going to... Where the fuck is... See this beautifully organised drawer? I'm going to get the sharpest one so I can stab Nathan. I'm MertsyUniverse, esteemed internet personality and superstar. Lifestyle vlogger and Minecrafter. Lifelong crafter. Now, you want to... Oi, camera guy. Get in on this action, get on this cooking action. We're going to be like Jamie Oliver. A good egg. If not a good egg, he's a bit of a cunt. Done! What we need to do next is we need to sift our good old flour into a bowl. They haven't given us any measurements, so we're gonna have to fucking guess. And in the video they put like a whole fucking cup of baking powder in it, and unless they want the fucking microwave to explode, it's not gonna work. We need a bowl to put the flour in. This will do nicely. And we also need, don't forget Nathan, because of this quality recipe, we need to, what are you doing? We need to sift an undefined amount of flour into this here bowl.
Shout out to Sainsbury's.
Shout out to Sainsbury's. Your mozzarella is the best in all the land. I just use fucking all of it, I don't care. What next? Add sugar, chocolate, cacao powder and baking soda mix. You're damn right. Nathan, stop focusing on my horrible handwriting. Now, sugar, pasta, only the best for our dear Nathan here. You're going to put quite a bit of sugar in here. Going to sift any lumps out, you know what I'm saying? We need to add the chocolate in. These bad boys here. Sainsbury's Basics chocolate, only the finest. Cocoa powder. Whatever, another indistinct amount of cocoa powder and baking soda. No, it's not Sainsbury's, it's Dr. Oatcake.
Shout out to Dr. Oatcake.
Shout out to Dr. Oatcake, wherever he may be. I have taught myself from the ways of big cook, little cook, welcome to our cafe. We'll cook for anyone. And they always say, you must tidy up, children. I live by those words every day. The creator of chocolate, banana and muffins will be proud that we are recreating one of the finest recipes in all the planet. Heston Blumenthal will be jealous.
Looks like cat litter.
Shut up, Nathan. You can't say that.
Looks like cat litter.
It's good shit. I really don't like bananas.
Can we get a 360 view of the bananas?
360 from me?
No.
We're only going to use 2 bananas. They used 3 in the original recipe. A true chef. There's a thing in the way. I'll just leave them here for now. How can anyone eat this fucking awful shit?
It's nice.
It's disgusting.
So
It's fucking. You see, like a fucking. Because it's from the true masters. Sometimes us just shit. Don't put it on the counter, Nathan. I mean, you look at an apple and it's like, oh, that's delicious and crisp. And you look at this fucking long, lanky, smudgy piece of shit.
It's not.
It is, it's fucking disgusting. It's like a smudgy, long demon. How are we going to squish this?
Feet.
No.
Do you have like those things to mash mashed potatoes?
Nathan, you're a genius. Oh, it's far!
I think you just do that.
No, you do it with that. I'll do what I want, Nathan. I'm an internet personality. But Nathan, you do it. You do it. You help. Needs a bit more force than that, Nathan. Come on. You know what? I'll just do it. This is fucking nasty. How can anyone eat this?
Look at that shit.
This is fucking gross. What the fuck is wrong with people?
You got cat there.
Yeah, cat there.
You've got.
Oi, Nathan.
What's that?
Oh, Nathan, the cat's gonna go for a little tinkle. Watch this. Ha! Ah! Ha! 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 Ah! Hey guys, it's Mix Mofo here. We're gonna be doing some things. I'm actually wearing a shirt as well. He actually wears this shirt a lot and his hair's fucking mental. So I'm doing a perfect Max Mofo cosplay. How's it fucking going? Max Mofo here! This is fucking nasty. I'm getting all egg all over the instructions, Nathan.
Mush it.
Smush it between your toes. A good chef, always put that green back. Good chef, always put the green back. That goes in the microwave for 5 seconds, Nathan. He's fucking nasty. Who invented it?
Me.
Barry P. Benson. You ready for this business? Aren't you so glad you came round, Nathan? Remember? Remember, where you put your things back where you found it. Otherwise, Jehovah will find you and he'll rip off your fucking ball. Nathan, help! Where are the cups? That's a cheese grater, Nathan. Fuck it. Plastic cups. I don't know if these are microwave safe. I don't care. That food is not microwave safe. Let's go 20. The recipe says 5 seconds, but I'm sure we can push it to 20. It's just hot. It's just hot. It's just hot. That's it. That's it. We put it in for 4 times the amount of time it was meant to be in for. I'll get a spoon, a big spoon, because we're big boys.
I'm not eating that.
You have to eat it.
I'm not eating it.
You're eating it, mate.
I'm not.
It just smells like just warm chocolate mixture.
I'm not going to be able to look at you eating that.
I'm not. I hate myself.
How did that taste, Max?